PAC NYC is a place of civic healing. Because we are on the World Trade Center campus, it's our responsibility to help everyone celebrate life. And that is so different than what other performing arts institutions offer the city. We may offer similar types of programming. The why of the communal gathering to enjoy that piece of art is different.
So I started theater when I was in 6th grade, flipping breakers to turn lights on and off for The Wizard of Oz. So completely focused on theater, but always the backstage side. And I went to school majoring in theater technology. I always found the challenges were interesting. You have 100 people or 1,000 people coming to see it. It has to be ready. Chicago Flyhouse is a pretty unique company. We focus mainly on overhead suspension of rigging equipment, so high-speed motorized hoists, automated systems that control things flying overhead, allowing for that effect to be done in a way that keeps the general public safe. The clients that come to us are usually getting the answer of no from our competitors. And for us, that's an opportunity to develop something special.
We have up to 3 theater volumes. We could produce 3 different pieces of work at the same time. We have over 60 different ways that we could reconfigure our flexible theater spaces. We wouldn't have the spaces that we have without the technology from Chicago Flyhouse in collaboration with all of our other vendors and figuring out a magical language. The possibilities seem endless.
Each theater needs to be able to operate fully independently. What that means for us on the automation side is a lot of work. We need to have a control console that can be easy to use. We specialize in being able to distill all that complexity down to a simple end product for the user. They don't need to understand how many months of software development went into that. All they want is the system to work. And we've run hundreds of scenarios of possible situations, but they're going to find more. So allowing the system to handle that and us to be interconnected. We are 24 hours connected to the system, allows us to right away respond to the Perelman Center and make sure that all of their productions can go seamlessly, no matter how complex or simple they are.
In the entertainment industry, you need a lot of reliability, redundancy. If something goes down, you can't stop a show. You need to continue the show. There's over 60 different configurations, but there's thousands of parts and pieces that are moving. So all these parts and pieces have to be integrated with one another. And they have to synchronize with one another and move back and forth all at the same time.
What Beckhoff brings to the table for us is a huge collection of product. The products that were integrated into this venue gave us a lot of flexibility, allowing us to handle all the dynamic changes as the design process was going forward. We needed a company and a system that could expand when we needed those challenges addressed, and Beckhoff was able to do that.
Beckhoff does a lot of neat things that work well in the entertainment industry. A lot of things that have been already designed for the machine world that can be applied to the entertainment industry. We also have a lot of things that we've custom developed just for the entertainment industry.
It's easy to build a theater that works day one. The question is, as things start aging out, what does that mean and what does that really cost? Building the infrastructure that allows for that update of technology without costing too much is really important. And that's where the savvy clients that we have, like Perelman, they see that long-term maintenance and the speed of that maintenance. Instead of being down for a week, you might be down for an hour. When the theater goes dark, the lights then come up. Usually there's some sort of reaction from the audience. A person flies by really quickly, a scenery piece comes in. You can feel all that energy in the room change. That part's the most satisfying. Audience members aren't thinking about the safety. They're thinking about the excitement of it. That makes kind of all that effort worthwhile.
You don't expect when you walk into a performance space for it to look very different than when you were here, 2 years ago for a completely different show. But that's what our space offers for our audiences to have that. It's a little world of wonder every time. It's magic.